Today we will learn Google Photos editing. So how to edit a photo in Google Photos. My friend, it is an official app of the Google, as you can see. My friend, it is already installed in the Android phone, but my friend, I don't know that it is installed in the iOS or the Apple phone, but you can check the App Store or the Apple Store. But for now, but if it is installed in your phone, that's okay, and if it not, so go to Play Store, search here Google Photos, and you can see here as I have already installed. Now jump into the Google Photos. Let me show you that how to edit a photo. So for example, I have downloaded that photo from the Adobe iStock. You can also check the Adobe stocks. For example, I want to edit this photo. Second button here, click on the edit button. Here are the three suggestions you can apply that, but these are not too much good. That is okay, but again click on that, cool, it will undo that. Now second here is crop. You can crop, you can rotate it horizontal, vertically, and so on else. You can crop it, you can reset from here, you can crop. These are option. If you want, you can do, for example, you are editing for Instagram, you can go for 4 by 3 dimensions. These are dimensions, my friend. If you are editing a video, you can also edit a video in Google Photos, so you can go for 16. If you are edit a YouTube video, you can go for 16 by 9 ratio, so as you know already. In this case, I think I don't need that, I have resetting that. Now go to third button here, adjust. Now it is, my friends, important. Now start brightness. I think so in this photo I don't need to increase the brightness because it is already too much exposure. I am in decreasing the brightness, something nice like this. Now go to contrast. I am also decreasing the contrast, my friend. Oh, something like white point. Now I am increasing white point, something like this, something like 24. Highlights, now I am decreasing highlights, something like this, 35. And now go shadows. I am increasing shadows, something like this. Now black point, I am decreasing black point. Now let's see the difference. Let me show you. Now my friend, if you press and hold the finger on the photo, you can see the before or original, and if you release the finger, you can see the after. Now go to saturation. You can increase the saturation, something like this. It will saturate all the colors. For example, let me show you. If I increase the saturation 100, you can see, my friend, it saturate all the color, but it is not too much looking good. So if I decrease the saturation, it will desaturate, but I don't need that. Now one more tip, if you have do anything else change, so you can click on the button or the circle of that. For example, saturation circle, it will reset that. So if I click again, it will reset on the circle. If I click, it will reset. I am increasing saturation, something like this. Now my friend, I am increasing warmth. It is the temperature, my friend. If you want to go to cold, you can go to left side, and if you want go to higher or the temperature or the warmth, if you want to warmth, you can go to right side. But in this case, I think so the environment is not too much hot or the warmth or the cold, but I am still increasing temperature, something like this. And now tint, it is also, my friend, if you want to cold, you can go for left side, and if you want warmth, you can go for right side. In this case, I think so I'm going for right side, something like this. Now skin tone, I am increasing skin tone, my friend. It is only increase or the brighten red color, because red color is our skin color. So skin tone, it is, you can recognize with its name. It will only increase the red color in our skin or the areas there where the red color is, it will find. So it will increase the or the brighten the red color, as you can see here. But in this case, I think we don't need too much, but we can increase something like this. Now 41 blue tone, it will only increase the blue color, or it will brighten the blue color. But in this image there is no too much blue color, but only I think so on the back there are too much pics, too much low pixel of. Okay, but now it is 10 1. Now my friend, you can also zoom in and zoom out. If you zoom in now you can see the before, and here is the after. And now my friend is the pop. What is the pop? It, my friend, only brighten or clear. It will clear the noise pixels, or other words, it will only clear, or it will sharp the image, sharp the pixels, and it can make too much extra details. For example, if I increase to 100%, sorry, pop, you can see the difference now. Again, here is the pop 0, and now if I increase, is the pop 100, you can tell the difference. I, in this image I think so we don't need too much, but something like 14 sharp. Now my friend, sharpen also, it will sharp also same like pop, and the image will be sharp, something like, if I increase to 100, you can see the it will sharp. But my friend, here are looking good sharp, you can see the difference. Here's the 0 sharp, and here's the 100 sharp. Here are looking good, but my friend, the skin tone is too much losing the details. As you can see, here's the soft skin, but it is too much harsh, it is not too much good. 100, we should decrease the sharpen, we should just increase something like this, 20. It is too much good. It's pretty much. Here's the before and here is the after. Now you can also denoise. If you have increased the pop and sharpen, you can also try that, but it will again soft the image, but I think so we don't need that. Vignette, you can also vignette the image if you wish. So I think I don't like vignette, so that's I am done. Now filter. Second thing is filter. You can also apply pre-filters, my friend. These are, I think these are, you can try out. In this image I think so we don't need that. These are too much cool. Too much cool stuff in Google Photos editor. In this case I am only check on none, so I think so we don't need that. Second is the next is, you can go for markup pen here. For example, if you want to highlight a pen, you want to write your signatures, you can do that, but you can also clear and undo that from here. Now some second option is here, highlighter. You can highlight something like this, you can change the color as well, and much more. I am clear that. Now third or the next is text. You can type here text. For example, I am typing here ABC and so on else. You can also type here, and you can also large its size, its color, as you can see here. You can also change its color, and you can increase its size. So that's all. Hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks, or tutorials. Miss next. Until then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating. You can also save that from here, save a copy. It's still processing, and that's, you can see here is the